Welcome to my kitchen.
We have bananas and avocado.
So you might be wondering why I look like a hobo. My abuela wanted to see me cook. There better not be any non-abuela Mercedes watching this. Thanks. Step 1. Get your pollo out of the microondas because you defrost your chicken last minute. All right, let's go. Now that you got your pechuga, you are ready to begin. Make sure your pan fits your pechuga. Get you one of these, all right? And if you have a gas estufa, there we go. You're gonna put it at about a 4. Make sure you do this before you heat it up. Get your store brand canola aceite. Yeah, that's right. Smile for Abuela. Smile for Abuela. Remy, smile. That's good enough. And when it's nice and caliente, you put your little chicken. Oh my God. Too hot. Too hot. I don't have adobo, so I put this on it. Right. And you gave it 4 minutes. There we go. And then you turn it. Since we're healthy in this house, we like to eat some broccoli. The frozen kind. So instructions say 5 minutes with this side up in the microwave. You're gonna need some cheap pasta. This is my pasta. It says 9 to 10 minutes. So my chicken is almost done. So I'm gonna put butter. So it's no. Oh my God. It's all good. Everything is good. Everything's all right. My chicken just finished. So I'm going to move it to a plate and cut it up. So in the same pan that I cooked my chicken, I'm gonna make my sauce, right? For my sauce, I'm gonna get... Ugh. So my sauce requires 2 tablespoons of butter. Broccoli's done. 2 tablespoons of butter or mantequilla. And we're just gonna... There we go. That's 1. 2. And now we wait for the butter to melt. Our water for the pasta is still not boiling. Leave that there for no more than 2 minutes. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hey. So what I added here was some heavy cream, Walmart milk, and we just mix it and wait for it to get hard. Also this, milk, leche. Make sure you get your sink ready for the pasta. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh! So we're gonna finish off our sauce in the big boy pan because I messed up. You're gonna turn the heat off and put some cheese in there. Put your chicken. Put some seasoning. And finally your broccoli. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And then finally your pasta. And you mix it all up. Ta-da! Oh my, hello, hey. Woo. And so thank you for watching this cute little video that I truly did make for my grandma. Abuela y abuelo, los quiero mucho. Un besito para ustedes. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next time I post a video. Bye!